We all share the same dream about AI. We dream of systems that anticipate intent and whisper the answer before the user even finishes the question. But on a trading desk, that dream can quickly become a nightmare. Please note that this presentation may contain forward-looking statements and roadmap information that are subject to change and should not be used for purchasing decisions. For the latest details on specific feature availability, please reach out to your Snowflake account team. Imagine the stress of the trader. The phones are ringing, the markets are moving, and they need to find a needle in a haystack. The intelligent vector engine on the left tries to help. It guesses. It says 3.85% is close to 3.75%, isn't it? But to a trader, that guess isn't helpful. It is noise. It is a risk. It is the anxiety of almost making a mistake that costs millions. In their world, almost is the enemy of done. Look at the language they speak. 2 low, 4.00%, 31s. It's dense, it's cryptic. To an outsider, it's just text. But to the desk, it is a binding contract. They don't need an AI that crafts poetry about this line. They need an engine that respects the rigid truth of these numbers. This is where Snowflake Cortex search steps in. Think of it not just as a search engine, but as a translator. It combines the empathy of vectors, that is understanding the intent, with the discipline of keywords, respecting constraints. It brings order to their chaos. Let me show you what peace of mind looks like for the user. On the left, we have the dreamer, Snowflake Cortex search in pure vector mode. On the right, the realist, Snowflake Cortex search in lexical mode. We are simulating a search for a ticker symbol. The ticker symbol is just a capital M. Look at the left, the vector engine is trying too hard. It sees M and thinks million, maturity, market. It's shouting irrelevant data at the user. It's frantic. Now look at the right, silence. Cortex search applies a lexical filter. It cuts through the noise and hands the trader exactly what they asked for. Just the ticker, simple, quiet, perfect. Now, the moment of truth. The coupon search. The target is 3.75%. The vector engine on the left offers 3.5, 3.625, 3.65 besides offering 3.75. It says, hey, this is mathematically close, but close doesn't book the trade. Close breaks the trade. On the right, clarity. Snowflake Cortex search locks into the number, no fuzzy math, no second guessing, just the inventory they need right when they need it. And the beauty is you, the architect, controls the knobs between selecting or prioritizing vector or lexical search in Snowflake Cortex search. With Snowflake's component weights, you decide exactly how to balance the engine based on the moment. You aren't fighting the AI anymore, you're tuning it. Technology shouldn't add to the noise of their day. It should be the thing that silences it. With Snowflake Cortex search, we give them the confidence to execute, the precision to be right, and the relief of a job well done. Thank you.